Bonjour. Bonjour.
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch The Haunting of Bly Manor, episode 2. I had a bug on the word manor because during the first episode I didn't know if it was manor or manor. In fact, it's manor. Okay, I'm okay with that. Really, as a French person, I'm okay with this pronunciation. I'm gonna watch the episode 2. I just watched the episode 1. If you want to see my reaction video about that, I'm gonna put the link, into the eye, or maybe the links, if I'm gonna cut them, in 2 parts. Maybe I did that for The Haunting of Hill House. I had each time to cut each episode in 2 parts so I can keep, a lot of my reactions. If you want to watch my reaction videos for The Haunting of Hill House, I'm gonna put also the link, into the eye for the playlist where you can find all of the episodes into the chronological order. I loved a lot The Haunting of Hill House. I really appreciated all of the stories, all of the characters, sibling characters. They always have my heart, you know that about me if you are following my channel. But for The Haunting of Bly Manor, I'm already too involved into it. I'm saying too involved because after the first episode, in just one episode, they've got me. Not only because of the fact that they wrote it so well, they already presented us all of the characters, their issues, some mysteries, some ghosts, some stuff, with the dolls, with Anna, with Danny's ghost, with the dead nanny, with the dead parents, all of that, all of these mysteries. It's not only that, it's not only the good musics that they used. Really, if you didn't pay attention to the music during the first episode, I really had some, stuff like that during it, like, wow, the music is so good, like, I really want the musics to play them, on my phone when I'm drawing, when I'm painting, when I'm making stuff. I think that it's really music for that, relaxing music, not scary music. But they've got me also because I already care for the characters. I was already scared during the episode for the characters. I already felt their pain. I'm already suspecting some of them to be ghosts. That's logical, you know me. But I'm already also feeling their pain, their joy, or their fear. I thought that the kids were scary and sneaky and creepy. I still think that they are creepy, but I think that they are not bad, that they are not so scary. I think that maybe at the end they wanted to protect Danny. It was a time for me to remind me what I wanted to say. I said it during the intro of the first episode, I'm gonna repeat it now. I'm sick, I'm really tired. It takes me a lot of time to think about a sentence and to say it in French, so imagine in English. And during the episode, you have my reactions like usually, but my thoughts sometimes are coming later than usually. It takes me more time to think about something, to think about saying it, to think about saying it in English. Yeah? Okay. But it worked, during the first episode it worked and I was really into it. I was so into it, I was so excited that sometimes I forgot that I was sick and I'm beginning to feel it into my head. My head hurts a lot right now. It's not because of the fact that I thought too much, it's really because of the fact that I'm sick. Am I gonna try to not get excited during this episode, to not be sicker? No, really, I'm already tired and sick, and also tired to be sick, and I'm sick since 2 weeks, so I can deal with another big, migraine. I can deal with that. One more, really, I'm okay with that. I'm even more okay because of the fact that I'm spending a good time, you know, watching this episode and being into it, you know, being fully involved into it. So I don't care. I'm gonna go to bed sooner than usually, and that's all. What can I say more about the first episode, what I thought about it? I really loved it, really. They got me with only one episode. They wrote it so well. We already know so much about characters and all, and I'm already working on some theories, and I'm already suspecting people to be ghosts and other people to be not ghosts, and some mysteries to be like that, and I'm already questioning myself too much. But on the other hand, I'm ready to be surprised, you know. I'm ready to be wrong. I want to be wrong with all of the series that I already have. I want to be wrong. I will be okay to be wrong. I love to be surprised even more by an horror show, you know, by a show like that, which is playing with your mind, which is playing with moments of tension and all, which is really making you into that kind of mood. I'm okay to be wrong and to be surprised by it. I want that even. Again, that was a short intro, don't get used to it, but it's because of the fact that I'm sick and that I'm tired. I know that I'm a big talker, but usually I don't care. When I'm sick, I'm tired of myself, you know. I'm really tired of myself talking too much. That's even too much for me. So let's go for this episode 2. It's a shorter episode than the first one. My head is really thanking the writers for that. Oh, and really try to not pay attention to my outfit and to my hair. I really didn't make a lot of effort today for you, for myself. Really, again, I'm tired and sick. Oh yes, during the episode I forgot that they were all going blind during the credit. I need to keep that in my mind.
The door got shut.
Liar!
And the mess in the hall? It's just a little one. Well, I forgive you. Miles!
She wanted to tell you something and he doesn't want that.
That's not fair. It's just a bit of mud.
That's a fair punishment, but you're really not gonna talk about what he just did?
While Flora and I go get her doll back.
Every few weeks there's at least two off on a midnight run, and Muggins says they have to mop up their mud.
Why? No one is asking them why. Adults into this show are really not asking the good questions. Do we like that room or not? Okay, the doll is perfectly like that, and that's fine for everyone. No. What is it?
What's her name?
She can't remember.
Are you gonna hang it in your room?
Normal. Be careful with your knees on these stairs. I remember my lesson.
Miles?
Miles?
Okay.
Oh! Okay. Why were you expelled?
And the herd rushes down the deep slope into the lake and were drowned there.
Like the dead nanny?
I'm here, as are the other members of the staff, so if you feel the need to talk, we'll listen.
Oh, I don't know why I was scared that he was gonna push that man. What do you want to prove? I didn't say to do, I said to prove. Hooper, I'm worried about you. For you. For what? Your parents died? You have suicidal thoughts? Wait a minute! The wedding at the beginning of the first episode, can it be Flora's wedding? No.
Why'd you jump? Just looking for the right key. What was that?
Huh?
I didn't jump. I found that.
The right key?
If you ever need anything, I'm here for you, mate.
Why are you fighting with Hooper now? hurt him, but not really.
Papa,
He was scared about doing that.
none of us are blameless, except the soul that's not yet conceived and the animals.
Oh! He's gonna kill your animal.
They're not coming back.
Nope.
Why don't the bad ones get to come back? Not them.
The bad ones? Who came back? Your bird. Your bird is gonna die. Why am I scared? It's just a bird, you know it. Da 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 da! We can see you.
Master Windrake,
Said it.
correct about your special circumstances, but I at least have to insist on the apology. Speak!
I'm feeling sad for him.
That doesn't mean go. Sorry, I didn't do worse. He's off his head. Spread out the insides. Burn it.
I'm not sure that I'm feeling so sorry for you now. But I'm still feeling sad for him.
Please.
You wanted to do good by killing your friend Hooper and that bird. Why?
Sorry, Father.
How?
I needed to find your key.
Only the letter from Flora, delivered when he arrived, forgotten in the dormitory, would offer a possible clue.
Like she was in danger and you were trying to do things to be expelled? You did it right. What? What happened?
About the part where they knocked her in a closet.
Oh, no, you can't blame them for that. Given what they've lost, strangers as expected.
Not that strange and creepy.
Not for me. Gin, it was a sad drink.
Not drinking. Again.
Don't worry, not any of us here. Enjoy your white ladies.
For real or not? They're flirting, no? Oh. The person that she lost. You lost that person and that's why you run away. Don't run! Be careful with the knees. Breathe. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Try to breathe.
People, really. All of them. It's hard for their plants. Can always just, you know.
She's weird, but I'm not scared.
Look, you're doing great.
Thank you.
Thank you. Anytime. Do you know what Poppins?
Like Mary Poppins. Bah. Ah, a mirror again. Your ghost has glasses. The person you lost, that's your ghost. Is it a real one or is it a memory? You understand what I mean? I know you're gonna tell me that it's the same. You know what I mean. Oh, another prank?
I'd like to apologise. For all of it. For locking me in the wardrobe closet. For the mess in the hall. Most importantly, for being such a child about it. Being around Flora, I sometimes forget myself. That's
Sweet and weird.
dealing with children.
A little boy cut a few flowers. What's the big... They weren't ready to be cut!
You took that so personally.
You right? Well, you're fine. I just haven't been sleeping very well. I think I'll turn over for the night.
And we're not seeing her during the night, but she's nice.
Hide and seek.
Okay, hide and seek, sure.
I don't like that game. During the night, into a manor with creepy kids and with potential ghosts. Why into the dark? Can't you turn the light on? I saw that, you saw that, we all saw that. I want to be into it, and at the same time I'm like...
Is off limits, game or not?
Wait. 5. It was 5 because of the parents, the kids, and the uncle. Okay. What? Who? Is it like the song that your mother was singing to you at night? She's not afraid of Tom. She said shh.
Jesus, smile. Oh, thank you. Ease up. Ease up. Get it over.
Was he trying to kill her now? I thought that he was in love with her. Flora, she was talking to that ghost.
Hey.
Is it the dead nanny? I'm lost. It was the person, you know, on the parapet. Good call, I would do the same. I mean, not going outside and letting the kids alone. Where is Anna? Ah!
Swear to God. He's awake! He's awake! He's awake!
You're haunting that poor kid. Do you understand what I mean by that? He was into the kid. When Miles was acting like that with Danny, you know, flirting with her, and after that trying to kill her, it was that man. That man was into Miles. Am I going too far? I think that I'm gonna do the same, you know, like I did for The Haunting of Hill House. I'm not gonna post anything about my binge watching of this show until I finished it, because I don't want to have any spoilers. And even if I trust you, you know how much I trust you, you were so great during all of my binge watching of, you know, The Last Kingdom, Peaky Blinders, or The Expanse. Really, you were so great, because during all of these binge watchings, you never said anything to me, any spoilers. But I know that when I'm beginning a new show, it can bring new people into the community, you know, into this little community that we have. And some people are not listening to my intro and my review, I also know that. So they're gonna comment stuff, and maybe they're gonna say spoilers. And with a show like that, I really don't want to have any spoilers, because we have so many mysteries to resolve. I mean, the dolls, the dead nanny, the dead parents, this male ghost, Danny's ghost. Even if I'm beginning to think, you know, she's running away from her place, you know, where she was, because she lost that person. She doesn't want to stay into that place because it's reminding her that person. That person was wearing glasses. I'm beginning to think, I don't know why, I think that this person was a woman. That these glasses, you know, I am not sure that it can be men's glasses. A sister, a mother... No, not a mother, she spoke to her mother. A sister, a friend, our girlfriend. We'll see. Yes, we have Danny's ghost, we have the dead nanny, the dead parents, the male ghost. We have Anna. Even if she seems nice and all, they are insisting on the fact that she's not drinking anything, she's not eating anything. Maybe they are just playing with us, with me, you know, with that. Maybe it's just for making me suspecting her all of the season for at the end revealing that no, she can drink and she can eat. It's not because of the fact that we didn't show you it that she can't do it. Maybe they are just playing with me with that. I know that, but I'm gonna put her into my suspect list, you know. But not to be a bad ghost. She can be a good ghost, but this male ghost was a bad one. And maybe he was haunting Miles, you know, taking his place. It can explain why this kid has so many personalities. The flashbacks were interesting. He wanted to be expelled to go back to his place because his sister drew something telling that she was haunted by someone. I think that they are protecting each other. I think that they know the rules of this place. I mean the kids, you know, the two kids. I think that they were protecting Danny during that night when they closed her, you know. They are creepy, but I don't think that they are bad. Even Miles, who tried to kill Hooper, who after that killed that bird, I'm feeling sad for him. I shouldn't, really, after what he said about that bird, about killing that bird, I shouldn't feel like that, but I can't help myself but feeling, you know, sad for him, sorry for him. I don't think that he was haunted by that male ghost. You know, if I'm following my theory about that male ghost haunting him during these scenes, during this episode, I'm not sure that he was haunting him into his school. I really think that Miles did all of this by himself to come back. That story about searching for the key, he said that to his friend that he was searching for the right key, and after that he said to the priest, I was searching for your key. At first I thought that it was the key to come back to his house, you know. After that I thought maybe the key for heaven, you know, to die, to go to heaven. I'm not so sure of these two theories. Danny is a good person, you know, she's a good character, she's a good main character, but we know so little about her. I'm not sure that she's that clean, you know, that pure. It's not because she's a main character, it's not because of the fact that she's searching, you know, for all of the clues and mysteries. All of this is happening to her and she's suffering, you know, all of this. It's not because of that I'm not gonna put her on my suspect list, like you did something wrong or something bad happened around you, because of you, with you. I don't know, but there is something wrong also right there. Not just because of her story, you know, the fact that she ran away and all, but she's not telling the truth. As long as she's not telling the truth, as long as we don't know her truth, what she's hiding, her lie, I'm not gonna believe her. I'm not believing any of them, okay? But I have some feelings, you know, about them. Good or not. Miles and Flora, they are good. I'm sorry, they are creepy like hell and they are terrifying me sometimes, but I think that they are good. I think that Flora's dolls are really there, you know, to keep them safe. I think that Flora is really talking with the ghost, but she's not afraid of them. I think that Miles was haunted by that male ghost. I think that they are trying to keep Danny safe. I think that they are good. I think that Anna is good. I think that Owen is good. The gardener, I think that she's good also. But I'm not so sure that they are all alive. I have some doubts about Anna being alive. It's not because of that I'm trusting them. I can think that they are good people without thinking that they are alive or that I believe them. No. There are mysteries, okay, but there are also some lies. Some of them are lying. Danny is lying about why she's running away, for who, her ghost. Anna is lying. She saw that thing and after that it wasn't there. She's not drinking, she's not eating. She didn't want to stay there, you know, during the night, but after that we saw still something wrong. Miles haunted by that guy, but also knowing stuff about that house and the ghost because he wanted to come home for his sister to protect her. Flora, same. Owen, we didn't see a lot about him. He's not there, you know, he's not living there, Owen. So that's why maybe I'm not suspecting him. Can it be, you know, the woman who is telling that story? Can it be the gardener? I don't know why I have this impression. But that's my first theory about her, you know, who can she be? Maybe Flora, I don't know, she didn't seem really like Flora. And I'm wondering about that man, you know, who was giving that speech during the wedding. Was it Owen? I can't remember. I think that I'm gonna see that again during the editing, but I can't remember who was that man, if it can be Owen. And the bride and the husband, you know, we didn't know them. It was not one of them. Oh, that was a whole, like, a lot of things to think about, to work on, a lot of theories. And really, I spent a good time watching these 2 episodes. These 2 first episodes, I really appreciated them. I think that I loved the first episode more than this one, but that's logical, you know. I was excited to discover that universe, these characters, the stories and all. Right there, they are progressing into it, maybe slower than during the first episode, and also we are having more moments, you know, scary moments, moments of tension. Shorter, you know, during the time of the show, but the scenes are longer about each moment. I don't know if I was clear, but in my head it was really clear. And again, I'm sick and tired, so I'm not gonna try to say it in another way. It was already hard to say it the first time. That was great. I really appreciated it. Again, I think that I'm gonna post these videos, you know, when I'm gonna finish the season to not have spoilers. But please be careful still on the comments with spoilers, not for me, but for the people, you know, who are watching little by little this show. Please be careful for them. Okay, I'm gonna stop this review right now. It was a short one, but again, I'm tired and sick and I don't have the energy and the patience to make a longer review. I hope that you will understand that, and I hope that when I will see you again for the rest of the season, I would be in a better health. We'll see. So it's all for me for today. It's all for you also for today. So it's all for me for now. So bye for now. Bye.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Hey.